Hello, my name is sw630. I am a social worker at one of the clinics in the Pennsylvania health system, Pennsylvania hospital health system. I have been a social worker here for approximately 2 years. Previously, I was a medical caseworker at a clinic in the South Philly area. So I have a couple of years of experience in the social work field. Before that, I was a caseworker at CYS in Delaware County. Before that, I was a social worker at a retirement complex here in Philadelphia. I got my undergrad bachelor's in social work at Temple University here in Philadelphia. So it says identify your goals for developing into a clinical social worker, including opportunities and challenges that you perceive. So my last internship was at Cardensia, and I did a lot of clinical social work there to include assessments, biopsychosocial assessments. I did inpatient and outpatient support groups, individual counseling sessions. I do individual counseling sessions here as well, short term with my patients here at the clinic. I look forward to learning how to do individual sessions with patients and families for ongoing. I am looking to do my next internship at DuPont Hospital, so hopefully I'll get a lot of medical training as a social worker, clinical social worker in that field. Challenges, just trying to retain all the information that I will be learning for the next year. This is my last year in the program, so I'm excited. I'm overwhelmed a little bit, but I'm hoping that with a lot of self-care this year, I will be able to channel that maybe some frustrations or insecurities that may develop, or some stressors that I may have. I look forward to learning things in this class and meeting all of the students. Again,